Alright guys, this is Shawn with Cajun Smoke again. I want to show y'all today, I'm going to be doing some bronze fish. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of butter. We're going to throw that in there, get that melted real good. Got a cast iron skillet here. I like to cook in cast iron because it retains the heat, it's good. Look at that. That butter's just throwing so nice in there. Alright, we got that butter all heated nice. I'm going to turn that on low. Alright. Now what I have here is some Cajun Smoke Catfish. Straight from the water. Alright, we're going to go ahead. We're going to put a little bit of Cajun smoke on the top of it. Alright. We got, I'm on a low to medium heat again. Put the vent on a little bit there because got some smoky. Alright. So what I like to do here, we call it bronze fish because when we do it, it got a bronze color to it. Okay, so let's flip this over here. We'll get, that's the bottom of the catfish there. I always put the bottom on first. And look, I think we need just a little bit more butter. We'll throw another pat in there. This is a real quick dish. Just takes no time to do. You just push this down a little bit. Get some more butter on that fish. We want that fish to be nice and cooked and inside but moist. Throw some more of that butter. I just didn't want to fill the pan with butter. We're just going to push that down a little bit. Make sure it cooks good. And I'm going to tell you, we got a surprise with this fish. Look how beautiful that is. Nice. Cajun fresh catfish I get from A-Bass Seafood. You always want fresh catfish. Fresh Louisiana catfish. You know, I don't do any imports. All I want is fresh. We in Louisiana. We want all of that fresh stuff that comes straight from the Gulf. Look at that. Look how beautiful that fish is. Nice bronze color. There we go. Now I'm going to tell you right now, that fish is done. You can feel it. It's nice and firm. So let me show you what we're going to do here. Let's take this fish. We're going to plate it. Now I told you we had a surprise for this. Earlier today, we did some of that crawfish stew. Now let me tell you, this crawfish stew, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that crawfish stew on top of that great Cajun Smoke Catfish. Look at that with that crawfish and that gravy. Look at that. Y'all tune in next time for another recipe.